Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see the questions from chapter 13, exercise 13.4, question number 4, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Now let us start with the question number 1. A drinking glass is of the shape of frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of a glass. A glass is in the shape of a frustum. It is given that whose height is 14 centimeter, and it is also given that the diameter of the upper circular portion is 4 centimeter and that of the lower circular portion is of 2 centimeter, and therefore we have to find the capacity of the glass. It means we have to find the volume of the glass. So here the given things are that the height of the frustum is given as 14 centimeter and the diameter of the upper end is given as 4 centimeter, and therefore the radius of the upper end, that is equal to 2 centimeter, and similarly the diameter of the lower portion is given as 2 centimeter, and therefore the radius of the lower portion is 1 centimeter, and we have to find the volume of this frustum. And since the volume of the frustum is given by the formula that volume is equal to pi h upon 3 into bracket r square plus r square plus r into r. So this gives you the volume of the frustum, so which is equal to pi, that we are taking as 22 by 7 into h is 14, so it will be 14 by 3 into bracket r square. So first r is that of the 2 centimeter, so 2 square, plus another r is 1, so it will be 1 square, plus r into r, that is 2 into 1, so which is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 by 3 into 2 square will be 4, 1 square will be 1, so it will be 4 plus 1 plus 2 ones are 2. So this together will be 7. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 by 3 into 7. This 7 and 7 will get cancelled, and here we will get 22 into 14 by 3, and which is equal to, if you solve this, you will get it as 102.66 cubic centimeter. So since it is a volume, it will be a cubic centimeter, and when we find area, we write it as square centimeter, and since it is a volume, it will be a cubic centimeter. So at the end write the answer. The volume of a drinking glass, or the capacity of the glass, is equal to 102.66 cubic centimeter. Here is the next question on the screen. The slant height of the frustum is 4 centimeter and the perimeters, that is circumference, of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. Here in the figure it is a frustum, and it is given that the height of the frustum, the slant height is given as 4 centimeter. The slant height is given as 4 centimeter, and it is given that the circumference of this upper portion is 18 centimeter and that of the lower portion is that of 6 centimeter. Let R1 is the radius of the upper portion and R2 is the radius of the lower portion, and so it is given that the perimeter or the circumference of this upper portion is 18 centimeter, so it will be 2 pi R1 is equal to 18 centimeter, and similarly 2 pi R2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So here pi r1 that will be equal to 2 nines are 18, so 9, and here pi r2 that will equal to 2 threes are 6, that is 3. Now here we will see the formula to find the curved surface area of this frustum. So here L is also given, that is 4 centimeter. So the slant height is 4 centimeter, and therefore the curved surface area of a frustum, that is equal to, the formula is pi into bracket r1 plus r2 into slant height. So if you multiply by pi inside the bracket, you will get pi r1 plus pi r2, close the bracket, into L. So here pi r1 directly given to us as 9 plus pi r2 is directly given to us as 3. So close the bracket, into L, that is 4. Now here 9 plus 3, that will be 12 into 4. So 12 for the 48. So it is 48 square centimeter, and since it is a area, the unit will be square centimeter. So the curved surface area of frustum is equal to 48 square centimeter. Question number 3. A face, the cap used by Turks, is shaped like a frustum of a cone if its radius on the open side is 10 centimeter and the radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter and its slant height is 15 centimeter. Find the area of the material. Now here it is given that the cap, face cap, that is used by the Turkish people is of the shape of frustum, and it is given that the radius of this open portion is 10 centimeter and the radius of this closed portion is 4 centimeter, and it is given that the slant height is 15 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the material used. Area of the material used will be what? The curved surface area of the frustum plus area of this closed circular portion, and this portion is open, and so there the material is not used. So here the given things is that slant height is equal to 15 centimeter, radius of this base is 10 centimeter, and the radius of this closed base, that is R2, is equal to 4 centimeter, and therefore the area of material, that is equal to area, curved surface area of frustum plus area of circle. So which is equal to curved surface area is what? It is given by pi into bracket r1 plus r2 into L plus area of circle, that is pi. We are taking r1 as 10, r2 as 4. This portion is closed, so it will be pi r2 square. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into bracket r1 plus r2. R1 plus r2, that is 10 plus 4 into slant height, that is 15, plus again pi 22 by 7 into r2 square, r2, that is this 4 square. So which is equal to 22 by 7 is a common factor, so take it out as a common factor. So 10 plus 4, 14 into 15 plus 4 square, that is 16, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 15, that will be 1710 plus 16, and if you solve this further, you will get it as 710.28 square centimeter, and therefore the material used in making this cap will be 710.28 square centimeter. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video and share it with your friends so that they too will get connected with me, and please subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. so that the notification of newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.